This 50, 60 years that we're going to live here, Wallahi, it's nothing. For those of you who work hard, for those of you who hang on to their deen, know that this is what Allah has promised you. This is what Allah has promised the believers. Imagine seeing Allah with your own eyes. Imagine being in that environment where everything your heart ever desires. But my brothers and sisters, Wallahi, if that is what you desire, then you have to work for it, man. Like how every one of us here knows that if he wants to drive a Ferrari in this world, then he has to work hard. And if you want to live in a nice mansion, then you have to work doubly hard. If you're expecting that reward from Allah, know that you have to pay the ultimate price. And this is what it's all about. Sometimes people tell me, I don't have that stamina to move forward. Never forget why you do what you do. When things get tough, remember that I want to see Allah.